This is the Tots Bots Hero nappy. It's designed for babies from 8 pounds to 35 pounds in weight, which is about 3.5 kilos up to about 16 kilos. So this will work for many babies from the early days all the way up to potty training. The waterproof layer on the outside has poppers to adjust the size of the rise of the nappy, and it has Velcro to fasten at the waist. We've also got laundry tabs on the inside to stick the Velcro down when you're washing the nappy, and I like to close them when changing the baby as well, because then it doesn't stick to your blanket or to your baby's clothes. Inside the nappy is a booster pad. It's attached by poppers to the front, and for very small babies you might not need that booster pad at all, so you can take it out by using the poppers. The main body of the nappy is made from absorbent bamboo, and the booster pad is bamboo with a wicking sports fabric layer on top to keep baby dry. So if you need to, you can add extra boosters to the inside of this pocket to add extra absorbency. So the first thing to do is to set the poppers to fit your baby. Trial and error usually, and I'm going to set mine midway for this doll here. So you tuck any excess fabric up towards the waist, and that will shorten the leg elastics, getting a good fit. So now I'm going to add my booster with the poppers to the front, just here. There are poppers on the booster, so you can add an additional booster to the inside if you really need to. So let's put the nappy out like this. I've got the Velcros at the back, and lay baby on the nappy. And bring the front of the nappy up between the baby's legs and fasten the waistband Velcro. Both sides. It doesn't need to be too tight. You need to make sure everything's tucked in. Just check that excess fabric is tucked upwards, and you need to just go round the side of the legs to check everything's tucked into the knicker line to avoid leaks. This nappy is really simple to wash, 40 degrees. You can put it in with other laundry. You can line dry it or tumble dry it on a cool setting. It's recommended you don't use fabric softener, as it decreases the absorbency of the nappy, which is obviously not ideal. Remove any solids before washing the nappy, and run a rinse and spin cycle through your nappies in before you make up a full load, and then you can wash with a normal amount of regular non-bio washing powder. It should be absolutely fine. Any stains will usually come out if the nappy is hung outside in the sunshine. So this one is a Tots Bots Hero.